Everyone, how are you today? Today I will gonna show you some English words that we are mispronouncing them in English language. Let's start together with the first word. The first word is comfortable. Comfortable. Don't stress on the O that comes after F. Don't say comfortable. Strong. Don't say comfortable. Wrong. It's comfortable. This is the first word. The second one will be vegetable. Vegetable. Don't pronounce E that comes after G. Don't say vegetable. No, it's vegetable. Vegetable. Number 3, almond. Almond. Don't pronounce L. L here is a silent letter. Almond, like salmon. Not salmon, no, salmon. Like would, should, could, talk, walk. In all these words, we don't pronounce L. It's a silent letter here. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.